Hello everyone, welcome to PTE Reading Filling the Blanks Real Exam Question Series. This is video number 31 in this series. It means that we have already discussed 30 highly repetitive and recurring real exam questions, and we have discussed the strategies and tips and tricks how to solve them. So let's get started. First things first, now PTE is accepted for UK visas and migration. You can achieve your goal of settling in UK, work or study through PTE. And now 90% of universities in Canada accept PTE Academic, and a new test which is PTE Home has started and which is approved for UK visas. So if you are looking for spouse visa or family visa, you can get it through PTE Home test. My name is Bhrat Brij and I have scored a perfect 90 in all the 10 skills of PTE, and in this video series we discuss the reading hacks and strategies ताकि आप भी अपनी reading first attempt में crack कर सकें, because there is no point of giving paper again and again. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. So PTE reading इंटीग्रेटेड टाइमर होता है, 32 to 41 minutes का टाइमर है, and it has 5 question types. And one thing, now you know that it's not scored out of 90, and PTE reading filling the blanks are the second last question type and are important. We are going to see the scoring in a moment, and this is the real scoring. So if you see जो reading module है आपका, it just contributes 47 marks, and of that 15 marks come from reading filling the blanks. So अगर आपके 5 RFIBs आ रहे हैं, so those are 3 marks each. So that's why it's important to understand how to solve your reading filling the blanks. So what is our strategy? First of all, time management आपको खुद करनी होती है reading filling the blanks reading section में. So आपको 2 to 2.5 minutes you can spend on solving one reading filling the blank. अब क्या आप 2 to 2.5 minutes में सारे के सारे words पढ़ के उसका meaning understand कर सकते हो? The question is no, but you can start going skimming, and skimming will be helpful to you. And skimming we also teach to our students in our online lectures as well as in institute students. And this is today's reading filling the blank, and as usual I'm going to give you 30 seconds, but आपको ये blank काफी छोटा लगेगा because this is a real exam question. तो इसलिए आपके जो blanks हैं इसमें हो सकता है information missing हो, sentences missing हो, पर blanks इसमें सही हैं. So you have to choose your answer accordingly. चाहे ये छोटा है, but जो इसमें content ज़्यादा हो सकता है जो आपको पेपर में आए, पर blanks same होंगे. So I'm going to give you 30 seconds, and after that let's get started. Okay, so I hope you have skimmed through this. Now you know that we first skim RFIBs to understand its tone, right? Gist as well as tense. Tone positive है, negative है, neutral है या academic है. Then gist gives you an overall idea कि किस बारे में बात हो रही है, और tense past tense use हो रहा है, present tense use हो रहा है, future tense use हो रहा है. Okay, so let's get started with that. Ice storm. इसकी pronunciation storm नहीं है जो बहुत सारे students करते हैं, या storm नहीं है. Its R is going to be silent. It's ice storm. Okay, right? And pronunciation is very important. आपके जो pronunciation के marks हैं वो आप reading या listening marks में contribute करती है pronunciation. So that's why you have to improve, and we have a complete pronunciation course for our online students as well as in-institute students where we teach them the basics of pronunciation. So ice storm is a type of something. Something rain falls down into the cold air, changing from water into ice. A heavy ice storm left something than 100 residents electricity cut off because the ice storm hit down the wire. Okay, and its pronunciation is wire. Okay, यहाँ पे R pronounce होगा. Again, these are the rules of pronunciation of R, which we have covered in detail in our pronunciation lecture. ओके सो यहाँ पे किस बारे में बात हो रही है? आइस स्टॉर्म के बारे में बात हो रही है. उसमें क्या होता है कि जो रेन है जो आइस में कन्वर्ट होकर फॉल डाउन होती है, और एक आइस स्टॉर्म से कहीं की इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कट ऑफ हो गई बिकॉज वो किसी वायर पे हिट डाउन हुई थी. ओके so now we have our options over here, and now let's see the answer, right? So let's get started with the first blank. Ice storm is a type of something. अब type of something किसी चीज का किसी तरह का कोई एक एग्जाम्पल है, टाइप है. समर की टाइप हो सकती है ice storm. The answer is no. What we are going to do is we are going to do process of elimination. I call this our best friend forever. In process of elimination हम रॉन्ग ऑप्शंस को एलिमिनेट करते हैं जब तक हमारे पास एक राइट आंसर ना बच जाए. ऑब्वियसली हम ऐसे नहीं कहते हैं आइस स्टॉर्म टाइप ऑफ समर है. अकर्स होता कि समर्स में होता है तो यस वी कुड हैव सेड. विंटर भी नहीं कह सकते इसी कारण से विंड क्या एक तरह की हवा है? द आंसर इज नो. स्टॉर्म क्या होता है? तूफान. हम तूफान को एक तरह की हवा नहीं कहते हैं. ओके मोर और लेस तो वैसे ग्रामेटिकल सेंस नहीं बनाएगा. टाइप ऑफ मोर और टाइप ऑफ लेस. वेदर, यस टाइप ऑफ वेदर, राइट. अब जो स्टॉर्म है तूफान है एक तरह का मौसम है. ओके जब हम मौसम का हाल देखते हैं या वेदर प्रिडिक्शन सुनते हैं उसमें बताते हैं कब रेन होगी, कब हिल स्टॉर्म आएगा, कब आइस स्टॉर्म आएगा. ओके so it's a type of weather. But also let's see the rest too. Is a type of cold or hot? Doesn't make sense. So the only answer as per the correct process of elimination we have found is weather, and it makes sense also. So let's drag it and drop it over here. And now let's see the second blank. Rain falls down into the cold air changing from water into ice. Okay. तो अब आपको यहाँ पे आंसर करना है किसी तरह की रेन. रेन क्या है हमारा? नाउन. ओके नाउन से पहले क्या यूज होता है? एडजेक्टिव. Parts of speech, very important concept which we teach to our students. We have around 3-4 lectures dedicated to parts of speech because इतने important हैं. अब आपको ये देखना है कौन से इनमें से आपको adjectives हैं, and then we are going to keep adjectives and going to eliminate other ones. So cold, yes, cold is an adjective. विशेषता बताता है. Cold weather, hot weather. So this is an adjective. Summer, समर इज अ नाउन. ठीक है विंटर सीजन का नाम है, नाउन है. विंड भी नाउन है. मोर और लेस तो कंपैरेटिव्स हैं, राइट. मोर, रेन, यस यू मे से कि एडजेक्टिव्स की तरह यूज हो सकते हैं बट दीज आर कंपैरेटिव्स. कहीं कंपैरिजन नहीं हो रहा है इसमें. अब आपके पास बचे हॉट और कोल्ड. ओके तो द आंसर हॉट भी एडजेक्टिव है एंड कोल्ड भी एडजेक्टिव है. एंड यहाँ पे आप देखिए एक लोअर केस में सी है, एक अपर केस में सी है. So which one you are going to put? You are going to put the uppercase one because यहाँ पे आप देखिए full stop है. full stop है तो full stop के बाद again British English rules which we teach to our students in detail. full stop के बाद हमेशा first letter capital होता है. Now you have to choose between hot and cold. We have eliminated rest of the options. So hot rains fall down. क्या गर्म बारिश होगी? द आंसर इज नो. वैसे भी हमने फॉरवर्ड रीडिंग से फाइंड आउट किया हम कोल्ड एयर की बात कर रहे हैं, आइस की बात कर रहे हैं. तो यहाँ पे कौन सी रेनफॉल होगी? द आंसर इज कोल्ड रेन. So the cold rain falls down into the cold air. Okay, so that's why the answer is cold rain. Now let's move on to the next blank. A heavy ice storm left समथिंग देन 100 रेजिडेंट्स. अभी हमने डिस्कस किया था कि कंपैरेटिव्स देन के साथ कंपैरेटिव्स यूज होते हैं, मोर और लेस. बाकी ऑप्शंस वी कैन एलिमिनेट यूजिंग आवर प्रोसेस ऑफ एलिमिनेशन. अब एक क्वेश्चन आता है मोर देन 100 रेजिडेंट्स और लेस देन 100 रेजिडेंट्स. अब एक चीज बताइए, हम कभी ऐसे कहते हैं कि 100 से कम लोग अफेक्ट हुए किसी चीज से? द आंसर इज नो. वी ऑलवेज से उतने से उस नंबर से ज़्यादा लोग अफेक्ट हुए. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हमने ये कहना हो 100 से कम हुए तो हम ये कहते 80 से ज़्यादा, राइट, लोग अफेक्ट हुए. सेम वे में हम जब इस तरह के एक्सप्रेशंस को डिनोट करते हैं हम नंबर को मोर के साथ क्वांटिफाई करते हैं, कंपेयर करते हैं. सो दैट्स व्हाई आंसर इज गोइंग टू बी मोर ओवर हियर. A heavy ice storm left more than 100 residence. और इसको more नहीं कहना है, it's more. Okay, R is silent over here. Again, the rule of R pronunciation, which we have covered in detail in our pronunciation lectures. So let's select more, and now let's see if all the answers are correct. Yes, all the answers are correct. And this is our reading filling the blank strategy, which is based on context, lexical resource, and grammar. Context में first we do skimming, you had seen that. Then we solved one answer on the basis of forward reading today. Backward reading is another strategy. Then tone, we find out the tone also, whether it's positive, negative, or neutral tone. In lexical resource, collocations play an important role. We have a detailed list of collocations which we give to our students. Then phrasal verbs are also important. And vocab is something which we keep building on this video series, and slowly and steadily you will improve your vocab. Coming back to grammar, we have a complete grammar course which we provide to our students, which has parts of speech, then subject verb agreement, prepositions, modals, articles, determiners, signposting words, tenses, irregular verbs or plurals, British English rules, sentence formation. So we had seen the importance of today parts of speech, जहाँ से हमने adjectives देखे, कौन से adjectives हो सकते हैं. We solved our answer on that. So all these are important rule. We had seen one answer solved on the basis of British English rule. So that's why it's important for you, especially if you are looking to score 79 plus or 65 plus, you must know the grammar correctly. And remember, you have 2 to 2.5 minutes to solve your reading filling the blanks. In first 30 to 60 seconds, you are going to skim the content, and in the next 90 to 120 seconds, you can use process of elimination and other strategies which we teach to our students to solve reading filling the blanks. Now, all the strategies which we teach are validated and proven strategies. The proof is in the ticker below. You can see the scores of the students who have achieved their target scores, and these are some screenshots where you can see students have achieved a perfect 90 also. Okay, so if they can score, you can also achieve your target score. This is our WhatsApp number, 8699121121. You can WhatsApp us if you have any questions or doubts, or if you want to take in-institute or online coaching. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel, because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. We give wings to your dreams.